Hello, everyone, and welcome to John and Mandy Go RVing.
We're here checking out Gifford Pinchot State Park. We're going into the Conewago day use area. We'll see what they have going on here. I believe they have a boating dock in here, and you can rent bikes and kayaks and boats. You also can use it as a picnic area, and there's trails back here. There's disc golf as well. And then there's one other day use area that you can enter as well. It's on the other side. It's the Quaker race. We'll check that out here shortly. So as I'm coming in the entrance here, I'll tell you a little bit more about State Park here in Pennsylvania. Gifford Pinchot was a governor of Pennsylvania, and this park was dedicated to him back in 1961. He was here under the presidency of Roosevelt, and it's a pretty nice park here. I grew up around this area, so I've been around here a lot. I've camped here a few times. Nice amenities here. Once you get down to the end of the road there, you'll find a nice big parking area. Then across the grass from that, you'll find the building that has restrooms. There'll be vending machines in there as well. Then next to that will be where you can rent your bikes and your kayaks and boats. And then there's also a dock over there as well where you can access your boats easier. It's pretty nice here now. We're here in September. Not too many people here. We're pretty much out of season for most part. It's the playground here, and we're in the picnic area as well here. It's supposed to hit about 80 degrees today. So we do have some kayakers out. I'm probably going to get out here for a little bit with Mandy and do some kayaking. And then over there across on the other side of the lake is the other day use area, Quaker race entrance. Over there is where they have the beach. And we'll head over there now. Alright, so now we're on the other side of the lake here. We're over here in the Quaker race daily use area. And they got picnic areas, pavilions on this side. You'll have a swimming beach here, volleyball net. And all around the lake there's different areas you can access with boats. We're down here to the beach area. They got a nice little fence here, so it's not so easy to fall into the water here at the edge. We're here at the end of September, so you're not going to see anyone swimming here now. They closed down swimming, I guess, mid-September. Down at the other end of the lake, there's a couple sailboats out, people just riding around, some people on their kayaks. Of course, you got bathrooms, another center over here, another playground. Over across the way there, you can, well, you might not be able to see, but a little off in the distance there's another boating access area. And here's a closer look at the building that has the bathrooms in. There's also an ice cream shop here, and there's a ranger station as well.
We're coming in the campground entrance here now. Off to the left, you have visitor parking. There's dumpsters there as well. If you don't own an RV and don't feel like tent camping, they do have cabins here for rent, as well as yurts. So as we're coming around the turn here, off to the right up here is a dump station. So if you don't have a sewer hookup, at least you'll have this for when you go to leave.
Hi everyone, this is Mandy. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what the camping experience is at Pinchot State Park. We've camped here several times. It is close to our hometown and one that we've enjoyed quite a bit. So I wanted to talk to you about the activities that you can do at Pinchot. One of the ones that we enjoy the most is biking. It's relatively flat, and there are a lot of roads around, so there's a lot of biking areas. Another great feature of this state park in particular is the water access. John already showed you several different access throughout the park, but it really is a beautiful large lake that you can fish, kayak, canoe. We've seen motorized boats, we've seen sailboats. So really, pretty much anything that you want to do in a still lake, you can do it at Lake Pinchot. If you like to hike, Pinchot's great. There's a lot of trails. A lot of them go around the lake, so it's very scenic and very pretty views. Others go deeper into the state park, so a lot of greenery around you. It's just a really pretty walk, and there's several different lengths and degrees of difficulty. So you can pick up a brochure as you come into the park, or certainly look on their website. You can see all the different trails that's around. Some are biking and some are hiking, so make sure you check that out. There are several different types of campsites at Pinchot. John had mentioned earlier that you can rent cabins or yurts, but if you have your own equipment, you can bring your RV or tent. The quality of the campsites also vary. Some are macadam, some are just dirt. Some have some pretty worn picnic tables and fire pits. Some have been beautifully redone with new macadam and some brick walls. Others face the lake, some are deeper into the woods. So you really have to be careful when you're planning a trip here. Take some time on their website to make sure that you're selecting the right site for you and your family. Pets are welcome in certain areas, so you want to be careful of that. Make sure you're booking one in the area that pets are allowed. If you do come to Pinchot, just know that there's not a lot of attractions around. You're within an hour or so of a few central PA attractions. You're about 28 miles, maybe 40 minutes or so from Hershey Park. You can get to Lancaster, York, Harrisburg pretty easily. But this park is really more of the destination. Come here for the nature, come here to do the outdoor activities, enjoy the lake, and some solitude in this beautiful, beautiful state park.
Well, thanks everyone for joining us. If you found any of this information was useful, please give us a like, and hopefully we'll see you next time on John
John
and
and Mandy,
Mandy
go
Go
RVing.
RVing. See you, everyone.